Hello, and welcome to English Audio Lab. My name is Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're here to learn with us today.
Today, we are talking about a very important topic, English for emergency situations.
That sounds serious, Trevor, but don't worry, everyone. We will make it simple and easy to understand. We hope you never need to use these phrases, but it is always good to be prepared.
Exactly, Alicia. Knowing a few key sentences can help you stay calm and get the help you need. The goal is to feel more confident, not more worried.
So, to get started, do you have a story about a time you needed to help in a small emergency?
I do. A few years ago, I was visiting a new city. I was walking in a busy park and I saw an older woman trip and fall.
Oh no, was she okay?
She was a little shaken, but thankfully she wasn't seriously hurt. I went over to her and the first thing I asked was, "Are you okay?"
That's a great first question. Simple and clear.
Right. Then I asked, "Can I help you up?" She said yes, so another person and I helped her to a nearby bench. It was a very small thing, but those simple questions made a big difference.
That's a perfect example. It shows that you don't need a lot of complicated English, just a few important phrases.
So let's start with the most basic and important words for getting attention. If you are in danger or you see someone else in danger, you can shout one word.
And that word is help, right?
Exactly. Help. Just like that. It's understood everywhere.
So if I see a problem, I can just yell help.
Yes. If you have more time, you can use a full sentence. This can sound a little calmer. You can say, "I need help."
I need help. Okay, that makes sense.
Let's practice that. Listeners, you can pause and repeat after me. First, very slowly. I need help.
I need help.
Great. Now at a natural, normal speed. I need help.
I need help. You're doing great.
Now, sometimes you need a specific kind of help. You might need the police, an ambulance for medical problems, or the fire department.
So you need to tell someone who to call.
Exactly. The sentence is simple. You say, "Call," and then the service you need. For example, "Call the police."
Okay, so if there is a fire, I would say call the fire department.
Perfect. And if someone is sick or injured,
I would say call an ambulance.
that's it. Let's practice those three. Everyone, please repeat after me. Call the police.
Call the police.
Call an ambulance.
Call an ambulance.
Call the fire department.
Call the fire department. Fantastic.
That's right. Now, let's talk a little more about fire. If you see a fire, the most important thing is to get to a safe place first. Then, when you call for help, you need to be able to describe the situation. Now, let's put this into a role play. Alicia, are you ready?
I'm ready. What's the situation?
Okay. Imagine you are in a cafe. You see a man at another table suddenly hold his chest and he looks like he is in pain. What do you do?
Okay, first I would go to him and ask, Sir, are you okay?
Good start. I will be the man. I'll say, "My chest, I can't breathe."
Okay, then I will turn to the cafe staff and say loudly and clearly, Please call an ambulance. This man needs help.
Excellent, Alicia. That was perfect. You were calm, clear, and you used the key phrases. You asked, "Are you okay?" And then you told someone to call an ambulance.
Listeners, did you hear those phrases? Let's repeat the two important ones from that dialogue. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
And call an ambulance.
Call an ambulance. Well done. Now let's move on to another type of situation. Sometimes the emergency is about you. You might be lost or something might be stolen.
This can be scary, especially if you're in a new country.
It can be. But again, a simple sentence is all you need. If you don't know where you are, you can say, "I'm lost."
I'm lost. That's easy to remember.
Yes. Be careful with the grammar here. Some learners say, I am lose, but the correct word is lost. I am lost.
That's a great tip. So it's lost, not lose. Let's all practice that together. I'm lost.
Now, what if something is stolen? For example, your wallet or your phone.
Ooh, that would be very stressful. What should I say?
You can say, someone stole my, and then say the object. For example, someone stole my wallet.
Okay. So if my bag is gone, I say, someone stole my bag.
Perfect. And in this situation, who should you call for help?
The police. So I can say, someone stole my bag. Please call the police.
Exactly right. You are putting the sentences together. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Someone stole my phone.
Someone stole my phone.
Someone stole my wallet.
Someone stole my wallet. It's so helpful to practice saying these out loud.
It is. It helps your mouth get used to making the sounds. Okay, time for our second role play.
Okay, I'm ready.
This time, you are lost. You're in a big city and you can't find your hotel. You see a friendly looking person and you want to ask for help. I will be the friendly person.
Okay, here I go. Excuse me, I am sorry to bother you.
Oh, hello. That's no bother. How can I help you?
Thank you. I'm lost. I'm trying to find the City View Hotel.
The City View Hotel. I know it. You're going the wrong way, but it's not far. You need to turn around.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day. And scene. That was great, Alicia.
Thank you. I tried to be very polite. Phrases like excuse me and I'm sorry to bother you are very useful for starting a conversation with a stranger.
They are. And then you used our key phrase, I'm lost, and you clearly stated what you were looking for. I'm trying to find the City View Hotel.
This shows how you can combine simple sentences to get the help you need.
Okay, let's talk about one more important piece of information. When you call for help, they will often ask for your location.
Your location means where you are, right?
Yes, they might ask, where are you? Or what is your location? It's a good idea to know your address or the street you're on.
So I could say, I am at 123 Main Street, or I'm on Park Avenue near the museum.
Perfect. Giving any information you can is very helpful. Even saying the name of a shop or a landmark can help people find you. Let's talk about what happens when you call the emergency number. In many English speaking countries, the number is 911, 999, or 112. When the operator answers, they will ask for information. So, we have learned a lot of useful English today. You have all done an amazing job.
We have. Let's do a quick summary of the most important phrases. Trevor, what's the first one?
To get immediate attention, you shout, help.
To ask for specific help, you say, call the police or call an ambulance.
To check on someone, you ask, are you okay?
And if you need personal help, you can say, I'm lost or someone stole my wallet.
Those are the key phrases. Remember, the most important thing in an emergency is to communicate. Simple, clear English is best.
Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just say what you need. People almost always want to help.
That's such a good point, Alicia. Learning these phrases is about building your confidence so you can feel safer and more independent when you travel or live in an English speaking environment.
We encourage you to go back and listen to this audio again. Pause and repeat the sentences. Practice them until they feel natural for you.
You are building a very important skill. Thank you so much for joining us today at English Audio Lab.
It was a pleasure to have you with us. Keep up the great work with your English learning. You are doing wonderfully. We look forward to seeing you next time.
Goodbye for now.